In this video, I'm going to clean my Nespresso with the app. Now, I previously posted a video of pairing or setting up my Nespresso Creatista Vertuo machine by Breville with the Nespresso app, and I will link to that down below so that you can see how to link your machine with the Nespresso app. I am going to assume you've watched that video, and I'm going to go straight into cleaning your machine with the app. Now, to get started, the first thing I would do is just open and close your machine. And that gets it out of that standby mode, that makes it active, and get your phone close to the machine so it's connected. And from the Nespresso app homepage, you want to touch My Machine in the top right corner. Your device should say Ready to Brew. Now I'm going to hit Settings here, and then you can see Wi-Fi connection, network details, connected. So it is connected to the Wi-Fi. The lights have to be on, it's got to be on. So there it is. I am connected to my Wi-Fi at home. Excellent. To clean the machine, we are going to touch Maintenance in the menu options here. You actually have 4 different options here. We're just going to go through cleaning the coffee system. Second on the menu, I'm going to touch that. And then it says, we recommend a rinsing process on a monthly base or when you start having residue. So it's been about a month, so I'm going to hit Start Process. Step 1, I'm going to fill the water tank up. And I'll show you my water tank here. I've already filled it all the way up here before I started this video. Hit the Next button or the arrow. Next, it's going to say Confirm machine has no capsules inside. All right, so let's open it up. There's no capsule inside, and then I have unlocked and locked back the machine head. So I'm going to lock this back. I'm going to hit Confirm, Start. And now it's actually talking to my machine. This is very exciting. It says Preparing Machine. Now press the machine button to start the cleaning of the coffee system. And I'm also going to put my measuring cup under here to catch the water. It's lit up. And now it says coffee system cleaning may take up to 5 minutes. And there it goes. The reason I like doing it this way is instead of press certain buttons in certain sequences in order to get it into that mode, now it automatically does it from the app. And the app kind of walks me through the process. It says all done, and it says to dry the visible parts, and I'm going to hit back to my machine. And there it is. So now it's back to Ready to Brew, and we have effectively cleaned our Vertuo Creatista by Breville Nespresso coffee maker. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.